Guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. Today we are going to discuss how to install Splunk DB Connect driver. So as of now we see how we download it, how we install the DB Connect, how we configure the task server, but without driver there's no use of DB Connect. So what our database connection we wanted to create with the database from, or you can say from whichever the database we wanted to pull the data into the Splunk via DB Connect. For that database driver should be available, JDBC driver should be available into the DB Connect. So I will show you first how it look like before installing and after installing. So let's go back to the system. This is my Splunk instance where DB Connect is installed. Click on the DB Connect app and go to the configuration, go to setting and driver. So if until unless you don't have drivers for this database you want to connect, it won't allow you. So while creating the connection, I'll show you in next video, while creating the connection it will give you the error. So here there's no driver is installed by default, inbuilt come with the DB Connect. So we'll do the installation via add-on. So earlier we have to do manual configuration, but now Splunk is provided most of the very common or frequently used database driver as a add-on. So it's now easy to install the driver. So we will see Oracle MySQL. So I will try to download and install the Oracle driver. So you have to go to the Google and you just type Splunk DB Connect install driver. So first link will open, you can just click on that link and you will see the install driver using JDBC driver using add-on. So these are the drivers available which is you can use the add-on. So if we can see any of them, so I will just click on the MySQL and it will take you this Splunk base. Here you can download the Splunk DBX add-on for MySQL JDBC driver, and here the instruction and all this versioning will be there. So you can check your DB Connect version where it is supported and your Splunk version where it is supported, and the installation guide is not provided, but I guess summary and detail you can go through documentation and summary in detail like what these driver are for built in, and this is for created by the Splunk LLCC. Now click on the login and download. So it's required credential and you know how to do create it. I just click Unified IT Solution. Okay, it's not taking. Okay, I'll use my extension. I put the wrong username. Password, why is not taking password? Yep. So now it take me to the download page. Now you can click on the download Splunk DBX driver. Click on agreement, download. It will start downloading. We have downloaded from MySQL, and you see Splunk DBX add-on for MySQL. Now you go back to your system and go back to the apps. Click on manage app. Install from, this is similar like how we did the add-on installation. This is similar way. Click on Splunk add-on for paste, click on open and upload. So you can see the DBX MySQL JDBC add-on successfully installed, and you can go to the Splunk DB Connect back, go to configuration, go to setting, click on drivers. You can see earlier there was no driver was available, but now AWS RDS Aura is available, you can filter it out with, you can click on the install, what are the installed. So that add-ons contain the MySQL, memsql, aws rds, aura for MySQL, and these three driver are installed. What is the version of the drivers, and the source Splunk JDBC MySQL, and this is how you can install the other driver where it is required. So don't install, you know, so much drivers in DB Connect, it make it slow. So whatever database connection you wanted to create, only those driver you should install, and those are like which are you are using to connect. So don't need to install all of them, what are useful for your environment, only go with that. So this is how we can install the driver. And now our DB Connect, like we in first video I show how to download and install, then I'll show how it look like, how to configure the task server, and I created like what is the use case of the DB Connect. Now how we install the DB Connect, and next video I will show you what are the parameter that you need to be required to get a connect to the any database, and how we have to create the DB input. So I will create the next video on this. So thank you guys, and kindly subscribe our channel, like our video, let us know in comment if you need any specific video on specific topic.